recording me. Stop recording me.
Baby. So say something nice about me.
Can't think of anything right now.
Oh, really?
I'll tell you later.
Really? Why? Because I'm recording you?
You're a bad girl.
How? Oh, my bad.
You're a bad girl.
Tell the world the real me.
Terrible.
Tell the world the real me. Tell the world the real me.
She is a terrible, terrible girl.
Am I?
She doesn't listen to her boyfriend.
Oh.
Don't listen at all. Hard headed.
Really? That makes two of us.
Fucking stubborn.
It sounds just like one person that I'm looking at right
Jealous.
now. I'm jealous?
Mm-hmm.
Jealous of what?
I don't know. I don't know why she's jealous. She's just crazy like that.
Who is?
There is no explaining.
Who is crazy?
You! Kataya.
Kataya, really? I
Kataya.
told you already, stop calling me that shit.
Cat.
I already told you to stop it.
I prefer to call her Kit Kat.
Let me fucking. What are you playing, baby?
What?
What are you playing?
Mass Effect. I call her the Kitty Cat. You really are recording me, you
Yeah.
ass.
Hopefully you fucking die in that lava.
Fucking wish. Pretty good at this game.
Whatever. So your team lost.
This game doesn't even have that online element.
Oh wait, that's Battlefield.
You are so slow.
Shut up, baby. Oh, baby. Un besito.
No quiero.
Dame un besito.
Yeah. Stop recording me, I'll give you.
Alright.